today we're looking at a snapshot of our build proposal section and our send proposal section just to show you what it looks like to add some inclusions and exclusions to a bid. So today we're going to focus on our terms and conditions section. This is where you can enter things as simple as payment terms, estimate expiration dates, and your inclusions and exclusions. We can simply type out exclusions, and if you save them in Electric Ease as a template in one of your pre-built templates or make one of your own templates, you can continually add or delete to and from these exclusions. So what this looks like in our send proposal section, we see the terms and conditions spelled out here at the bottom of the proposal. We see our exclusions here in the proposal, and when we send this to the contractor, they're going to get this in a nice format. It's going to have those exclusions on it already, and hopefully you won't have any surprises.